Hey. So how's it going, friends? I just wanted to jump on here and unbox my Young Living order. I actually took everything out of the box this time because it's so much easier to just get through. I know everyone's time is valuable and sometimes people love to watch these. So I thought I would do it. I love to share what I order and why I use it because my hope is that maybe it will help someone else and they will jump on this wellness journey and they will head in the right direction with their wellness. So I'm all about this grassroots wellness movement and one, ditching the junk and the toxins from our life and our products, and two, adding in amazing things that help your body to run more smoothly and function better, so that we can feel better and that we can go out and do all the things that we want to do and that we can feel good and be the people that God made us to be. So anyway, without talking more about that, I'm going to share all the things that I ordered this month and then what I got free as well. So one of the first things I ordered that is new to me is the Mira hair oil. And this is just a wonderful oil that you would put on. You can either use it when your hair is wet and put a little bit in your hand, just a tiny bit goes a long way, and you can put it on your ends to tame frizzies. I actually was using Young Living's shave oil. They've got a really nice oil that you can use to shave your legs that makes your skin feel so amazingly soft. And I was using that for my hair too, which I love dual purpose products, but then they came out with this and it smells so good. There's amazing essential oils in here that are also good for hair, and my hair kind of gets a little frizzy and a little crazy and needs a little bit of taming. So this is great for shine. I'm definitely going to have to do like a before and after of what my hair looks like before I use anything in it and this. And you know, hair products are one of those things that usually are jam-packed with toxic chemicals. So anytime you can find something nice and natural that works great and smells great, it's a win-win, right? So this is new to me and I'm super excited to try it. The next thing I ordered was more of the Sleep Essence supplement. And sorry, my lighting, you can never see it. But anyway, Sleep Essence, this is actually one my husband loves. I don't use this too often. I sleep pretty great just using a diffuser in my room with cedarwood and lavender going in it. But my husband sometimes has trouble staying asleep or falling asleep. And he loves this because, you know, his doctor wanted to put him on a prescription sleep med, and that works great, right? But then he feels all sluggish and run down the next morning. And this he loves because he doesn't have that feeling the next day. It has melatonin in it. It has valerian, lavender, vetiver, and tangerine oil plus the melatonin. So it's a really natural, great sleep aid that is non-habit forming and you don't feel run down. So he asked me to throw some more on that on our order. A month ago or 2 months ago, I did a class on hormone support and just all the different products that Young Living has for hormone support. And I have tried several of them and love them. And when I was doing this class, I learned about this one called Endogize. It's too sunny today. And Endogize is actually one that's really great for endocrine support and supporting female hormones. And it was kind of, as I was learning about it, it was probably more age appropriate for me. I'm 41 and I had been using some other ones that were great, but I thought, hey, if this is more for my age range, I'm going to give it a try. So this is also new to me. This is Endogize. And I just love Young Living supplements, how they do supplements. They have targeted things for certain areas. And when we talk about toxins in a lot of products, so many of them are actually hormone disruptors, which is really scary when we think of how much stuff that women use or young girls use on their skin and how many products women use in general. And so getting our hormones back in balance once we've ditched all those toxins that could be messing them up is a good idea. And let me tell you, you feel better when you do. Next, I got some more MindWise. So this is a liquid supplement. It is made from a nut. Let me see if I can find it here because I don't remember the name of the nut. Oh man, where is it? I don't remember what kind of nut it is, but this has got omega-3s in it, and most omega-3s are from fish oil. So, which I love it. I love those as well, but this is from a nut and tastes really good. The inchi or a seed, an inchi seed, Saka inchi seed. And so my son will drink this and he doesn't like any of like the fish oils. I'm still trying to find maybe a gummy or something that has the fish oil. So omega-3s are really great for brain support, bone support. And this just has a lot of good stuff in it. It's got a lot of vitamin D in it as well, which is good in the winter when you don't get out in the sunshine. Right now it's super sunny and we can be getting all the vitamin D just by going for a walk. But so MindWise is pretty awesome. I've got a couple cool videos on it of other people sharing more of the science stuff behind it. I'm not good at all that. I just know it makes me feel good when I take it, so I use it. But if you want to know more info on any of the products I share, just hit me up in a private message and I can shoot you more of the info that you might be looking for. I got a 2-pack of the Ningxia Red, which is something I just use on a daily basis. You drink about 1 to 2 ounces a day, and I just did an awesome class on this today. So if you want to get an invite to that, just comment below and I'll shoot you an invite to share all about why this is good for you and why you need it. I'm not going to go into it here. I share about it almost every single month. It tastes amazing and it's really good. I got some more labels for oil bottles. Whenever someone in my team hits a rank of star, I love to gift them these oil labels. So I got a couple more because we've had a lot of people sharing and this grassroots wellness movement is spreading and people are hitting ranks and it is amazing. So always want to have some of those on hand. I've started just ordering them every month. I ordered some more oils. And I ordered 2 bottles of Peace and Calming. Next week, I'm doing a class for some teachers who are looking for ways to de-stress, and we are going to be making a roller bottle with Peace and Calming and lavender. And that's just oils that are really great for calming yourself. And I'm kind of going to be talking about the brain with them and how our brain works and our sense of smell works. And so I got 2 bottles of Peace and Calming for that Make and Take Fun class that I'm doing with those teachers. Hey man, teachers work so hard with our kids and they need to stay calm and relaxed, right? I ordered some peppermint because we are also making a little roller bottle of peppermint and wintergreen and panaway. Those are all great oils that are like icy hot feeling, and we're going to be making a little roller for doing a little neck massage for neck and head tension. A lot of people who work stressful jobs or they're at a desk or different things like that can carry a lot of tension in their neck and shoulders. And so we're making a roller. I needed more peppermint. So that's why I got peppermint. Just a great oil to have on hand for tummy issues and other things as well. And then I got another bottle of cedarwood oil because this is one we use in our diffuser every single night. Cedarwood actually helps your body produce its own natural melatonin, and it's very calming and relaxing. A lot of people use it in blends for kids too with lavender and vetiver, and it can be great for like homeschool time, homework time, that kind of thing. So that is all the fun stuff I ordered, and then I got a ton of free stuff. So do you guys want to see my free stuff? Anyone? I got some lavender bath bombs. These things are gigantic, and they're individually wrapped, and they smell amazing. And so I may gift some of these or maybe do some giveaways with them, but I know 1 or 2 of them will be just for me because I need my bath time. Then I got some tangerine and lemon oil free. Man, these smell great in the diffuser. The Vitality oils are great in your water and help detoxify your body. And they just smell so fresh and clean. So one of the first things I love to help people ditch is just like toxic air fresheners, candles, those kind of things. And instead get a diffuser. You can put oils like tangerine or lemon in there and your house is going to smell amazing and clean and fresh without toxic, harmful junk, man. You're breathing that stuff in and people suffer from asthma and skin issues and all different things, and then they wonder why. So I'm like, get rid of that stuff. Vetiver was free this month. Love this oil. This oil, vetiver paired with cedarwood, is like magic sleepland, okay? Try it. Super thick oil too. It's sometimes you have to sit there forever like waiting for it to come out because it's a super heavy. It's a really awesome oil too, like a very manly man smell, kind of heady. I don't know how else to describe it, but I love the smell of this oil. And then Clary Sage was free this month, and I'm so excited about this one. Clary Sage is a really great female hormone support oil. It also just smells really good. So great to get it for free. And then this is new to me. This one's called Dreamcatcher. Never ordered it, never tried it. It's a blend. It does have some really awesome oil in it. And I've heard that it's good for sleep, obviously, and maybe night terrors or things like that. Like I said, not one I've tried, but it was free, so I'm excited to smell it and check it out. So that was all my free stuff. I mean, I always feel like Young Living is so generous with all their freebies. But that was my order this month. If you have questions about anything, just message me. I love sharing on this stuff. And I love when my monthly wellness box comes because, man, we love this stuff and we use it every day. It's lifestyle. We are always moving more towards health and wellness every month, and I feel like my health is just getting better and better. Praise the Lord. So hope you guys have a great day. I'm going to get out and take a walk while I still can before I have to pick up my son. So God bless.